In this video, how to win chess step by step, you must watch and enjoy it. First point is make good opening moves. The goal of your first moves in chess are to establish control of the board. Top 3 opening are: first is the Italian game. This is Italian opening. Second is Sicilian defense. This is Sicilian defense. Third is French defense. This is French defense. Second point is don't give away pieces for free. Don't give opponent to hanging pieces. Third point is get your pieces in position. Pawn control squares. Knight likes to be in the center. Bishop like to be and long diagonals. Rook like to be line up in the center or on open files. Your queen should be ready to spring into action. Fourth point is coordinate an attack on the king. You will need a piece to check the king and at least one piece defending the checking piece so the king cannot take it. Fifth point is watch the safety of your own king. One of the best ways to make your king safe is to place your king behind some defensive pawn. Sixth point is always be a good sport. Regardless of if you win or lose, always congratulate or thank your opponent for the game. Both winning and losing are the part of the game. Even best player in the world lose often. And also watch my new videos and chess tricks and traps and subscribe my channel.